Good evening to all my pipsqueaks out there. This is Princess Pipskins, Royal Pegasus of Zephyr Heights, musical icon, fashion trendsetter, above-average selfie photographer, and now, your personal pony sleeper. So hi! I mean, hi.
Bruh.
It's so nice to meet you. Or, well, have you meet me. For you ponies from different pastures who may not know me, I come from the land of Equestria, a magical place full of pegasi, unicorns, earth ponies, and magic. From Bridalwood to Zephyr Heights,
Oh my
we
God!
ponies live together in harmony, knowing it's our bonds that keep magic alive and well. The magic that lets unicorns levitate their teeth.
What do you mean you're at
Or
soup? I
lets
mean I'm
pegasi
at
like
soup!
yours truly soar through the sky. It all comes from amazed ponies like you, living together in unity, and sleep is a big part of that. Why, without sleep,
What the dog
we'd be
doing?
nothing but a bunch of grumpy goosicorns, barely able to lift a helping hand. Sleep itself is a lot like magic.
冰淇淋
It's a time to refresh yourself. More amazing, more important than sleep is. It may not let you defy gravity, but sleep keeps your trot strong, boosts your mood, and even makes your mane shine. So every time you see me up on stage giving it my all, know that the great sleep I got the night before is up there singing with me. Just much quieter. Now I'm sure you're wondering, Pip, you fabulous and ever-trending superstar, how does a pony as fabulous as yourself calm down enough to get to sleep? Well, first, let me say, thank you. You're too kind. But even princess superstars don't go to sleep. In fact, sleep may just be the most important part of my day.
21?
Okay, maybe it's tied with breakfast, but that's only because my bed doesn't have a smoothie maker. In today's stream, I will reveal to you all my best, super snoozy, top-tier, tired serenades to get you sleeping, your manes beaming, and your pony mind streaming. I promise that by
Bruh.
the time this is over, you'll be snoring harder than my sister Zip after flight training. And Zip, if you're listening to this, maybe try some breathing exercises before bed, like this. Of Zephyr Heights on a morning flight. There's nothing around except you and the fresh sky. You feel the warm sun heating you up as you pass through the
Kill
soft
all sons of
clouds.
bitches. That's my official
A
instructions.
cool breeze lifting you up to a world of fluffy pink and orange. All you hear is the whisper of wind on your wings as you glide through the skies, light as a feather. Breathing in, you feel the crisp mountain air pushing you forward, bringing you just above the clouds, where you see the
This is
faint
a
flag of the
certified
moon
hood
as it
classic.
too begins getting ready for bed.
21?
Give it up and down up.
The moon's sweet dreams as you take a deep breath in, enjoying this calm, wonderful moment with yourself.
This is a certified
Then you
hood
exhale.
classic.
Slowly gliding back down through the clouds that mist your mane into a perfect, just got out of bed look. You repeat this, inhaling and exhaling, up and down. if you're falling asleep. That just means your mind's ready. That I'm very, very good at this. And if you're still cruising for a snoozing, that's all right. Just you need a little more time
This
to
is
wind
a
down.
certified hood classic.
So without further ado, let us begin the most relaxtastic serenade. A day in the life of one Pip Petals, Pegasus Princess. First, I want you to clear your mind. Empty your thoughts completely. Focus on the feeling of your mane against the cool pillow. Your luxurious locks perfectly cradling your head. You are here.
Baba Booey.
In this moment. Maximum tranquility.
Bruh.
Slowly, you feel sparkles begin to fill your body.
What you know
Starting at your
about
hoof tips, then twinkling their way to your head. Until you're completely filled with
White people be like,
soft,
black people be like.
shimmering glitter. Now zoom out of your room and see yourself. You're a stunning pink Pegasus with plush white wings, a glistening golden crown, and an incredible amount of self-confidence. You can fly, sing, and inspire. Your life is full of friends and family.
This is a
You help
certified
make their
hood
lives full
classic.
too. The only thing you're missing is a smoothie maker in your bedroom and a achievable goal that you just thought of moments ago. This is you. Nice, right? You feel a wave of relaxation working its way over your hooves, releasing your tension as you realize you've fallen asleep during your morning hoofacure. The day is early, and you wanted just a little more sleep. After all, you deserve it. You've been holding your microphone, flying over the crowd too gracefully, and occasionally phone scrolling a little too enthusiastically. But you let all of that slide off you as the hoofacurist makes your hoof shine.
Baba Booey.
Anywhere you go.
Here,
Hold up.
spa experience that just happens to be walking distance from your bedroom. Warm sunlight of the Zephyr Heights Royal Spa. The stress of the week leaving you as the hoofacurist works their magic. One of my favorite parts of going to the salon is picking the colors. There's gentle green, a gorgeous, leafy shade, as vibrant as a
Bruh.
the kind that makes you want to curl up like a cat in the warm sun.
What the dog doing?
A peaceful purple, something you might find on the freshest in your smoothie. A ruby red, as rich and luxurious as the gem it's named for. Or a beautiful blue, which looks like a Pegasus flew up, plucked the color right out of the sky, and brought it to your hoof. Today, you decide you want to use all of the colors. Decisions are for busy ponies. And right now, you have all the time in Equestria. You watch them paint your hooves,
21.
Cool polish as they softly brush on your fabulous colors.
What you know about?
Green, yellow, purple, red, and blue. Then green. To admire your relaxation.
Oh my God!
A radiant reminder of your own sparkle. And sink a little deeper in your cozy salon
This is a
chair.
certified hood classic.
Time for the colors to dry. You take a dip in the warm, natural hot springs of the Zephyr Heights Mountains. Legend has it that when ancient Pegasus discovered these springs, they'd use the power of their wings to churn the water, fizzifying it into a perfect hot tub experience. Now we have a machine that does it for you, but it's still relaxing to imagine the push of the natural springs against you. As you pull your wings in, you feel the soft rush of the water as it flows outward with you. You pull the water in and out, swirling it into a sparkling pool. Sometimes, things are just better the old-fashioned way. Plus, vintage meditation is so inviting.
This is a certified
As you start
hood
to reach
classic.
peak relaxation,
What the dog doing?
exit the springs to find your super plush, double stuffed, royal robe awaiting you. You curl up in cotton candy fabric, swaddled like a newborn filly as you begin your daily stretches. You enter your pony pose, your muscles cheering you like 1,000 adoring fans as they thank you for the wonderful, relaxing morning.
I like it, cut G.
You feel as if you could do anything today.
Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go.
Hold up.
Yeah, nothing sounds good. You leave the spa, braving the brief walk back to your royal chambers. As you crawl back into bed for a little post-spa nap, you find Cloud Puff, your fluffy white Pomeranian, already sound asleep.
This is
Great
a
minds
certified
think alike.
hood classic.
You curl up around your comfy pooch, sharing a sleep as you remember the feeling of chilling the hot springs, pulling the warm water in.
Amogus.
Inhale and exhale. Fabulous. I might be too good at this. I'm starting to make myself tired too. But the show must go on. Your Princess Day has only just begun. Now that you're fully pampered, it's time to take your calm out into the world. And what better way to start than with a Zephyr Heights shopping spree? Now, you'll have to forgive me. I happen to be so good at sleeping that I would occasionally
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片。
Long Ago by Peggy Zephyrina, Queen of the Pegasi. She chose to settle her queendom in Austria as a haven for us winged and wonderful. But she actually chose this spot for its legendary shopping potential. She saw the tall, spiraling peaks as elegant billboards, the wide bridges as food courts for royalty. Oh, and it helps that the mountains are full of gold, silver, all of the precious gems that make the city shine like a tiara on portrait day. As you step out into the charming, glistening plaza,
What you know about?
city morning. The only chatter of a far-off brunch as two friends ponder the eternal debate of toast versus hash browns. The rustling of trees as Pegasi pilot past their leaves. The clip-clop of hooves on Zephyr lanes.
This is a certified hood classic.
You trot into the crowd, basking in the sun, as it reflects off the golden clock tower in the city square. It chimes in perfect tune, harmonizing with the sounds of the city for a spectacular duet.
This is
A
a
good
certified
lesson for you
hood
little
classic.
ponies out there.
21.
No matter where you go, you can stop and listen closely. From the busiest streets to the quietest forest, everywhere has a song for you. Let's try it right now as we enter into the height of all heights, the Zephyr Heights Great Mall in the sky. First, focus on your breathing. Become aware of your own rhythm. Every whistle to Winnie, each flawless eyelash bat.
This is a certified
One
hood classic.
A pony piano.
Skip it up and down.
Life with a song in every step. And like any experienced musician, you can pick the notes you play with ease. As you're walking through Zephyr Heights Mall, gushing over trendy treasures, slowly expand your awareness to your surroundings to see what you can hear. The light ding of the cashier counter, the giggle of a filly who's just bought her very first bow, calming consistency of the store's radio, playing my latest hits.
Kill all sons of bitches. That's my official
You make your way
instructions.
through the aisles, running your hooves over the glistening gems of possible accessories as you pass by. There's an endless, lustrous sea of fashion in every direction. You know, when I was a filly, I used to play in boutiques just like these when my mom would take me out with her. Deep cloaks and satchels, quiet
What the dog doing?
as a flying mouse. I felt safe, surrounded by the smooth of yesterday's top trends, which makes a lot of sense looking back now. There's nowhere I'm more comfortable than in a good outfit. But back then, I was just learning how to find my calm place.
I like
The stillness of the store allowed me to disappear from any hubbub of the day. Focus on myself and then look out. And what it can do for you, too. Focus, center, and breathe. As you do, your relaxed shopping brain spots a gorgeous new main clip at the bottom.
White people be like, black people be like.
A rare find for a true master of shopping. You buy it and let the day lead you to your next shopping delight.
What you know about?
Following your senses, you find yourself in a canvas. Many smells enter the air. A scent of pineapple.
No, fuck off.
Transports you to sunny smoothie cart, where the whirl of citrus coats the cozy air. Then, a hint of honeysuckle whisks you away, deep into the forests of Bridlewood. As you stand amongst the unicorns, you hear the soft hum of their horns lighting up the forest crystals as they cast a magical spell. Just as you see the crystals begin to levitate, you catch the soft refrain, bringing you back to your bed in the royal palace. Of a passing drizzle tap on your window. You close your eyes, enjoying the song of the storm as you fall into a deep, cozy slumber.
LeBron James.
Are you sleeping? Wow. I really thought I had you with that one. If that was me, I'd be Princess of Sleepyville by now. See, in my dreams, I'm also a princess to a drowsy little town. As well
Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go.
Hold up.
It probably makes more sense when you're in the dreams with me. But anyway, let's continue with your relaxing day as royalty. You're all glitzed and glammed, but there's no point in looking this amazing if you've got no pony to share it with. Luckily, Sunny and our friends are having an evening picnic on the beach later. The perfect setting for you.
This is
Not wanting to be too fashionably late, you walk to the edge of Zephyr Heights. Take in a deep breath. Wait for the breeze to catch your wings, whisking you off into the evening sky. I know flying may look difficult, but once you get the hang of it, it's a lot like riding a bike, just with more birds. Once you get your balance, feeling the gentle push of the wind against your wings as you settle into your groove, all you gotta do is keep on.
Hey, yo, the pizza here.
You flap your wings as you inhale, then sail as you breathe out. There's some more complicated breathing techniques if you want to do a barrel roll, but we can save that for another time. For now, you should just enjoy the low sun as it glistens orange and yellow off the ocean and onto the welcoming beach of Maritime Bay.
21.
You're greeted by our sunny Izzy. New accessory. You toss your mane as you enjoy the glow.
Skip it up and down.
Light. And like the gracious compliment recipient that you are, you notice all the ways your friends sparkle today too. From the new pin on Sunny's satchel to Hitch's freshly polished sheriff's badge. It's always a to tell your friends that you see the way they're special. That way, they never forget it. The cool ocean wind blows through your pony praise party, letting you all know it's
Baba Booey.
time for a cozy beach campfire. As Hitch and Sunny rub some sticks together, you and Zip use your wings to lightly fan the embers. Izzy supervises, of course, cheering on the tiny flames with the positivity that they need to spread into enchanted blaze. You feel the crackling heat of the fire warm you up as you stick your hooves
What you know
in
about
the toasty sand nearby. Sorry, Hoofecure. There's nothing quite like some warm sand on some cold hooves. Some of Hitch's friends join you, burying their little legs close to the fire as they nuzzle up under your wing.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片，在香港这座城市的设置。
And feel in tune with Equestria. You remember
LeBron
that
James.
you are just one fabulous pony, part of this world, singing your solo in the natural rhythms of the universe. As you contemplate by a friend offering you a marshmallow on a stick. The universe will have to wait. At this moment, s'mores are more important. You roast your gooey marshmallow above the fire, getting a nice, light crisp. As it nears perfection, you line up your graham crackers and chocolate, readying the landing pad for your marshmallow. You close up that stellar sandwich, making sure
I like
to
it
give
cut,
enough
G.
time for optimum cooling and choco meltage. Before you leave, a sugary toast to your friends, thanking them for a perfect end to a perfect day. As the toast concludes, you all dig into your campfire treats. With bellies full and hooves warmed, you bid a fond farewell to your pony pals and take to the skies, ready to return home. As you and Zip soar below the twinkling stars, you can already hear the siren song of your bed.
Skip it up and down.
You rise and glide through the silent night. And just as the last pale blue from the
Baba Booey.
you gently land back in Zephyr Heights. Enter your room. You hear the familiar sound of Zip, already snoring up her signature storm next door. But that's no issue tonight. You're so relaxed, tired, and fulfilled from your amazing day moment you crawl beneath your blankets, you find yourself in Sleepyville. A hushed,
Now, yes.
What you know about?
it's time for this pony to hit the hay. By which I of course mean
What the dog doing?
my double queen fairy foam mattress. It was so much fun having you with me for the day. We'll do it again sometime soon. Though for now, if you're in need of a little more serenading before your beauty sleep, feel free to
21.
fly a few more laps around the palace before bedtime. The stars aren't going anywhere. Just and glide them down. Inhale,
White people be like, black people be like.
exhale. Up, down, fast.
Amogus. This is a certified hood classic.
Baba Bowie.